Ian's World. So I've stopped here. This is a bridge going over the Etobicoke Creek. I've been coming in here all my life. When I first started coming, this bridge wasn't here, and it would take you a good hour and a half just to get to this point from a parking lot. Now it takes 10-15 minutes. I'll bring you back here in the spring and the summer, and you'll see some incredible changes in here. I've had camps in here, I've camped in here, I've had fires in here, the hills up there, I've traipsed over all the decades. It's pretty spectacular. I come back here a fair bit. I just love the spot. Here we are on Ian's World.